Hi, we are doing logarithm. Given log x is equal to m plus n, log y is m minus n. Express the value of log 10x by y square in terms of m and n, right? So we have to put log 10x by y square in terms of m and n. Now we will use the log laws. We know log a into b is log a plus log b, and log a by b is log a minus log b. So we will use this rule or law over here. We'll expand it. So this can be written as log, this can be treated as a and this can be treated as b. So this will become log 10x minus log y square. Now this is 10x means again a into b. So log 10x can be written as log 10 plus log x minus log y square. Fine. Now we know if there is no base given, that means the base is 10. This always remember, if the base of the log is not given, the base is 10. And we know log of any number to the same base is always 1. So here log भी 10 है and the base is also 10. So the value is 1 plus log x minus now log y square, log a raised to the power n. That means log of the number is raised to any power, the power comes in front of the log. So this will be written as n log a. So 2 will be written in front of log y. So log y square can be written as 2 log y. Fine. Now 1 ko 1 only we will let it be. Now 10 log x. Here we have seen log x in the sum is given as m plus n. So we will write m plus n minus 2 into log y. What is the value of log y? m minus n. तो m minus n को bracket के अंदर we will write, because 2 is multiplied by both m and n. So this always try to put the things whenever there is minus outside, put it inside the bracket, and 2 will be multiplied both by m and n. So 1 plus m plus n minus 2m minus minus plus 2 into n 2n. So this is the case. 1 will be 1, m plus m minus 2m plus minus minus, तो 2m में से m खत्म हो जाएगा, then it will become m, and 2 is bigger, so minus will be the sign, and plus n plus 2n will become 2n plus n will become plus 3n. So what will be the answer? 1 minus m plus 3n. Fine. So what is the value of log 10x by y square? It's 1 minus m plus 3n.